Alright, welcome back to another trade recap, and today we have another 1 hour loss. Pretty much the exact same thing as yesterday. Um, yeah, and I'll get right into it. So, pretty much, let me get to my buys. I am bullish because we haven't had two down close days in forever, which it might not be. Also, we are in a daily FEG on ES and a big 4 hour FEG on NQ in an EQ level. So the big daily on ES is right there, which I guess we're still respecting. Um, and then the 4 hour on NQ is this one that we were respecting. That isn't as prominent on ES. It's still there though. And yeah, what else did I say? I said there is also some high time from LRL building up that looks like it wants to be ran, and I also said NQ is much higher than ES, which was true. And this was kind of like the high time frame, low resistant. But I said plays on both sides of the market worked out today, so bias wasn't too important. But I got caught trying to go long when price wanted to dip down a bit more. And if you go to the 1 minute, there was this nice dump off open, little retrace, another dump off open, another dump. Then there was this long, then you could take in that, and then but I got off the charts right around like probably like literally right here before like 10:30. So that's when I got off the charts. The trades I took today. The first trade was a full loss. I took this trade after market had dumped down a bit off open to take out London low and tap into a 15 minute. Like this, dump down, take out London low, tap into this 15 minute right here, at least the rest of it. And as you can see on the 15 minute, we started rejecting with that wick. And that was this candle right here that sold me on the long. CISD, there was a tiny FEG, don't even count that. I don't even know if that's not countable. So just the CISD after down move, and then we had like a remanipulation leg. So I entered when it tapped back into this. Price came up to a max R of 0.79, so not 1. And then came down, and on this candle, it's kind of even hard to see, but on this candle right here, boom, to the tick got me. Actually, I think it might be, yeah, look at this. My exit is 2891.5, 2891.5, and the candle low is 289. So yeah, pretty much like a tick. Then it went back up. It wouldn't have worked out anyway, which is fine. So that was the first loss. As you can see. And on this trade, actually, look at ES. ES is already above this high, like all the way up here. So ES is up here, NQ's down here. Maybe that was a sign to go break even, but it was just floating around my entry. So it's like, I don't want to go break even. I want to see if I can push. This candle ended up coming in, boom. But then after this candle stopped me out, we started getting good rejection. And I said I'm getting deja vu from yesterday because a full-size loss, half-size break even, pretty much exactly like this. So yeah, when I barely got stopped on this, it started coming back up. This trade still looked good. The idea was still there, so I re-entered right at it was on this candle. Right at 907.25. Right after this candle came in and this one started pushing. This trade, let me bring it over. This trade got to a max. So this one got over 1 hour. I wasn't going to scale though because it is my half size trade, so I was probably just going to hold full to the highs. Went up, took out this high. ES still wasn't moving that well after taking out that high because, you know, it was going like this. We created a little SMT, so I put stop to break even. Got clocked at break even, and I was kind of looking for another long here to see if it would give me any more opportunities, and I got off the charts around here, which obviously it did give another opportunity. I don't know how low it did reach though. See, not really any 15s to play off of, except for that one, which I don't think I would have played off of it. Not really any 1 hours, besides that tiny one. So I don't think I really had a trade anyway. Yeah, I really didn't have a trade anyway. This is a nice CRT right here, that too, but then a distribution. But still just nothing really to even look at. So, yeah, this move I couldn't really catch, and I was already off the charts by then anyway. So, that's pretty much the day. Yeah, it's pretty much a day. Another lost day, but I'm not too mad about it still because I'm just following my strategy and learning as much as I can. So, yeah, that's pretty much it for today. I'll be back tomorrow, FOMC, so I'll be careful. Too. Morning before FOMC is always pretty bad, and then the rest of the week looks fine. So, I will be back tomorrow for another trade recap, and that is it for today.